Good morning, one and all. I am Niharika. I am representing Team Algo Genesis for our solution in Smart India Hackathon 2025. Our focus is on image-based animal type classification for cattle and buffaloes. Currently, ATC in India is manual. As we know, currently ATC in India is manual. It is done by trained personnel through visual inspection and measurements. This method often leads to human bias, errors in judgment, and inconsistent data recording. And this has a huge impact, which has a wrong classification, can affect reading quality, reduce productivity, and even cause a loss of genetic diversity. We have an existing system and we have also remaked it, and we have just created a proposed system where it is a semi-automated AI extraction kit or tool which does not replace any field workers, which will give a support to them, and it is also based on only AI, and it is also based on deep learning and computer vision. So it captures the body measurements as it is through pixel converting, and it also generates an objective which is having an unbiased scoring, and it is linked to Bharat Pashudan app. As I said, there is an existing system architecture which is a no automated system which is only having a trained personnel, which has a risk of wrong data may affect breeding quality and even lead to loss of genetic diversity. So we just have a proposed solution which we have done. When it comes to technical approach, we are building with this robust AI and ML tools. Python libraries are used for pre-processing and pipeline design. DeepLab V3 model is fine-tuned to measure and score animal traits, and OpenCV used for image processing and segmentation, and we use TensorFlow and PyTorch for deep learning model development. This makes our system semi-automated, assess field workers instead of replacing them, user-friendly, provides simple mobile and web interfaces. Now comes the prototype. Here we have image-based animal type classification website where we will explore, and we have about the project, the more details what we have like AI powered and all, and we have all the details which are required, and we just modified them as a website, and we have what all data we have collected and what data we will use here, and how feasible this is. It is technically feasible, operationally feasible, development wise feasible, and we just used impact and benefits, what are the impacts, and we just used gallery. Here in the prototype we just choose the file. In this we will have an image, and we just give the user who is like having the app, we just give some hints like some identity like tracks, so that we just guess even like what animal is it, we'll just have the data, and we just give some points to track the animal like 7 to 8 points, and then as it is we are converting this from pixels to meters, so we just give the count, and now it gives the result as the scoring and the measurements even. It will give all the data which is related to that animal. We just need to talk about the feasibility. It is technically feasible, that is the strong backbone of AI models, and operationally feasible as deployable for farmers and local staff, and cost effective as this is viable, which is affordable compared to manual errors in the long run, and it is scalable, adaptable across states and livestock breeds, and it is sustainable. Long-term adoption ensures improved livestock management. And to conclude, we just have this data. To conclude this, our solution transforms manual error prone ATC into a smart AI-driven system. It empowers farmers and field staff, ensures better breeding outcomes, and supports India's livestock sector sustainably. We Team Algo Genesis strongly believe this innovation will bridge the gap between traditional farming practices and modern AI technology. Thank you for giving this opportunity.